Home Show.
Jim from Klein has driveway distress.
He put a new one in about 7-8 years ago, Tom, so his day was due for this one. Jim writes, a couple of the wood spacers have popped up, creating a trip hazard. They don't appear rotted, just warped and dried out. Kind of like, anyway. But they probably are due to be replaced, unlike us. What is the best replacement, or what is a reasonable price for a pro to replace these spacers with something maybe more complex but more efficient? What say you?
Okay, this is the most original question I've ever had on the show. I swear I had this. This was probably the first question I had in 1986. Excuse me, 87 on the show.
I remember.
There's nothing you can do about it. And one of the things that's on that question is, what does a pro do? There's no pros.
So you're a pro, Tom. What do you do? I love your advice on this topic. What do you do, Tom?
I'm getting there. So what I would tell him to do is don't look down, but if you're tripping on them, you got to get them out of there, so pry them out and get rid of them. But that's it. I don't know what else to tell people. You've seen rubber gaskets. You've seen
I've seen
stuff
epoxy
to go in there. You've seen a lot of different things and you can go online on the web and you can just go do all kinds of stuff.
Waste all kinds of money.
And mainly time, which is really a sin. You don't waste your time. You can't get that back. Money you can get back. You can't get your time back.
Exactly.
Anyway, there's nothing you can do. I wouldn't bother.
So you say pull them up, don't worry about it, and don't look down.
Yeah, I don't want anybody tripping. That's important. But it's a question that has never had a good answer. And if I stay on another 20 years, maybe I'll have one for everybody.
Well, that's why when I was going through the questions, I picked this one, because we get it enough times that we have to answer it now and then so people know.
Well, of course.
Right.
And the one thing in that question, people say, what's it going to cost? Charlie, from day one with
How much you got?
I don't like giving prices.
Right, exactly.
Always get them to come out and give you a price.
All right. You got a question? We'll give you an answer, and here's the price. Bupkis, zip, 0, nil, zilch.
Because nobody knows what that means.
I know. Well, visit HomeShowRadio.com. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out the ask. Ask us the meaning of bupkis. We'll answer the future question. And whatever else is on your mind about your home.
Yes.
We'll help you save money and make your house a better place. And we'll post the video answering it on our website. We post them every day at HomeShowRadio.com, as well as our YouTube channel and our Facebook page.